So if you're buying or selling a home in today's market, you really should consider hiring a real estate attorney to protect your interests. Or if you're a realtor and your client needs help and assistance in reviewing contracts and addendums, should hire an attorney to have them done throughout the whole process. Now, what does this involve? Let's say it's a buyer. So the buyer, we would review the contract or draft the contract. Then the negotiations going back and forth. Draft the additional terms, specialized addendums. Sometimes you have different situations with a property. If we know our buyer wants to use it for a particular purpose or put an addition on it, we'll put certain contingencies in there for their protection. We want to deal with things like permits. There's all kinds of issues that come up that the attorney can walk the buyer through. Then when we get title, we'll review the title commitment. We'll get them a better policy, guaranteed. We'll get the standard exceptions deleted. We'll look through all of those exceptions. They may have riparian rights exclusions and the property's not even on water. Then we'll do the title objection letter. Then we'll review the closing statement and all the closing documents. A lot of title companies charge junk fees that they shouldn't. We'll save the client money by doing that. So anything that comes up in the transaction will help that buyer get through it, help you get through it as an agent, and make it smooth sailing. On the seller side, what we'll review is when the contract comes in from the buyer, make sure there's good terms in there. We have things in there like incentives, credits, closing credits. We want to make sure that they're worded correctly. And we'll make sure the appropriate addendums are on there. For example, if there's solar power, we want to make sure if we're representing the buyer and the seller, it's fully disclosed and the parties know their obligations post-closing. So if you have, if you're a buyer or a seller or an agent representing them, if you need representation, give us a call. We can talk about how we can assist you throughout the process and make it seamless.